We have a beautiful surrounding here. And what we have down here is a unique system of putting up an old ancient Chinese style of roof. And you see them using a lot of mud, putting in between the joints, and as you can see, they're preparing the mud and they're passing it on to the other workers to slap it onto the roof. And now they're laying the tiles with a gap in between, and I believe there is something that's going to go between the rows to prevent water from getting into the edges. Kind of unique. So what we are seeing is an ancient restoration of a tile roof. And I'm surprised that mud is used instead of cement.
The mud is made with glutinous.
Possible, some kind of a starchy stuff to hold the mud together. I'm not too sure about the recipe, but for sure you can see the tiles are stuck on tight, and I don't think they're going to move. But the roof is going to be pretty heavy.
Yes, with the mud. How do they strong enough to hold it?
And you can see I believe this roof is going to last longer than I can last.